Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming power and eliminating simple faults. Plug the phone into a known good charger and wait a few minutes so the battery can respond. This rules out a drained cell. Once done, perform a force reboot by holding power and volume down for about 10-20 seconds to clear transient crashes. Make sure to visually inspect the screen edges and ports for visible damage or corrosion, because a stuck button or broken connector often mimics a black screen. Next, you'll separate software from hardware causes. Boot into safe mode so you can see whether a third-party app is blacking the display. If the screen shows, uninstall recent apps. If that fails, enter recovery mode to wipe cache partition or run system diagnostics. This won't delete personal data when you clear cache. Then test the display path. Connect to an external display or use a DB logcat to watch GPU and display errors, because if logs show rendering faults, the issue is likely hardware. Finally, proceed with repair and data safety steps. If internal checks point to a loose or damaged connector, reseat the display cable or replace the screen with an OEM unit. This fixes many black screen faults. Before doing a factory reset, backup data via a DB pull or SD card if the display briefly works. If you cannot resolve it, take the phone to a certified repair service and insist on a diagnostic first so you avoid unnecessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.